Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about an important theorem in sampling theory. Sample mean is an unbiased estimator of population mean. So we can write this in the form expectation of y bar. I am just enlarging like here. Expectation of small y bar of n is equal to y capital bar of n. Okay, so there are some formulas. First we will discuss those formulas, then we'll go ahead. Okay, so here the first formula which I am going to tell is y bar of n, capital Y bar of n is equal to 1 by n summation of I is equal to 1 to n capital Y-I. Okay, I am just telling about all capital letters. Okay, and if it is small y bar of n, it will be written as 1 by small n summation of I is equal to 1 to small n yi, small yi. Okay, suppose I want to convert this small yi to capital yi. So what I will do, I will write or 1 by small n summation of I is equal to 1 to n, in brackets I will write ai yi, capital Y I, ai, because I want to convert it from small yi to capital yi. I will write it like this. Okay, now there is one more thing which I want to discuss. Suppose I want to write expectation of ai. I will write expectation of ai is equal to small n by capital N. If I have expectation of ai and aj, I will write it as small n into n minus 1 by capital N into capital N minus 1. Suppose if I have expectation of ai, aj, ak, then what will I write? Small n minus 1, n minus 2 divided by capital N minus 1, capital N minus 2. In short, it will be elaborated. Okay. Now what is the thing which we have to solve? We have to solve this one. Expectation of yi bar is equal to capital Y bar. Okay, so for this what we will do, we can write it as is equal to, I will write what is the this expectation of y bar of n. What is the formula of y bar of n? Expectation of, I'll just write expectation of this y bar of n is this one, right? So I am going to write it as 1 by n summation of I is equal to 1 to small n yi. Okay, now to convert this into small yi to capital yi, what we need to do? We can write it as 1 by n. I am writing outside. I will write summation of expectation of summation I is equal to 1 to n. Because 1 by n is constant, I am taking it outside. We are just looking for summation of i's. So ai we can write and capital Y I, because I told you that you can write it like this also, no? In that way only I am writing here. Then equal to, I can make this in the form 1 by n. I can write what is expectation of yi, expectation of, what is expectation of ai? I told you that expectation of ai is small n by capital N. Remember? So I can write it as summation of I is equal to 1 to n expectation of ai into capital YI. So we can write it as this one, we can write it as 1 by n small summation. I'll just keep it like this. Summation I is equal to 1 to n small n by capital N and y bar yi. So we can cancel this one and this one. We can write it as 1 by capital N summation of I is equal to 1 to n y bar yi. So this is equal to what? Capital Y bar of n, right? So that means expectation of small y bar of n is equal to capital Y bar of n. That is nothing but sample mean, which is this one, is an unbiased estimator of population mean, which is this one. Okay, thank you for listening to my lecture.